Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to create an X in Green Hell. Now there are a couple of items that we need to go ahead and get, which is going to be this one here. So we would need to create rock blades. So what we need is 2 blades as well as a stick and some ropes. So just go ahead and look for some stones in here, such as this. These are usually found near riverbeds, such as these ones right here. And then make sure that you also have some sticks with you. So I have small sticks here, so we would need to go ahead and grab some big sticks like this one. And then you need to go ahead and grab some vines as well, or rope, like these ones right here, lianas. And then if we go ahead and look at our crafting table right here, so we have our sticks, our stones. What we need to first do is to create stone blades. So if we go ahead and craft this one and this one, you can see we have stone blade. Go ahead and craft this. Now we should have this stone blade right here. To create the X, what we would need to do is to go back into our crafting. And then if we go ahead and select the stone blade, select one stick, and as well as one rope, you should be able to get a stone pickaxe. And there you go. I hope you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.